1. Green eyes equals I'm not staring at you. Okay, maybe I am. The ultimate tsundere. I love you, but I'll never admit it. We'll cuddle, but only on their terms. Overdo it, and they'll give you the I'm done with you paw. 2. Blue eyes equals feline Snow White, sweet, helpful, and a little too nice. Will literally help other cats bury their poop. Also, your personal shadow. 3. Ember eyes equals CEO of the house. Bossy, moody, and 100% in charge. Petting is a privilege, not a right. One wrong move, and you'll get the I'm too busy for this glare. 4. Light yellow eyes equals furry tornado. Will knock over your plants, chase invisible bugs, and generally act like they've never heard the word no. What color are your cat's eyes?